Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdinas sirata al-mustaqim, sirata allazina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Ameen. I'm Dr. Suhail Malik, presenting this session on behalf of my faculty members and my university. Thanks to Dr. Haris Shehzad, Dr. Arif, and Ms. Aisha for present there. Just a second. So, Department of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering is honorably and proudly launching BS Biomedical Engineering Technology program in collaboration with Department of Biomedical Sciences. We are today in today's session, we are going to talk about that for all the prospective students, that what are the advantages you'll gain if you join Mechanical Engineering Department. And we'll also discuss the future job placements, job prospects, and if there are any other options for the scholarships. So just moving on. First of all, let me introduce Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Department. We are the first department based on Industry 4.0 in the market of this new era, where the skills are getting more importance and the industrial revolutions are moving on. So industrial fourth revolution is already in the industry, but unfortunately, our industry in Pakistan is not coped with that. So I thought that we should start something which is state of the art, and the people which are coming to our department, whether these are students or industries, we should give them the latest technologies which are prevailed in already in the world. So our department, we have some new labs developed based on Industry 4.0. First of all is the Smart Factory, which is an automated lab where we show the students and the trainees from industry that how the Industry 4.0 smart factories work. Smart factories basically the automation industry. Then we are the first department in Pakistan which is going to commission the metal 3D printer. Metal 3D printer is very unique. You must have seen many printers, but they are normally polymer based or organic material based. But a metal 3D printer, there is only one in Pakistan, but commercially none is available. So we are going to be the first department who is having the metal 3D printer. And then we are also having advantage of having the drones hands-on lab. So UAVs are a very vital part of Industry 4.0. So these three areas and many other areas are where we are excelling. We are also in the plan of making a fuel cell lab, and we are also planning to have some testing and non-destructive testing equipment and machines, which are going to help us in the program which we are discussing today, which is Biomedical Engineering Technology. In addition to that, in Mechanical Engineering Department, we have faculty from diverse fields, and they have a diverse knowledge from industries, from commercialization, from entrepreneurship. So that is another strength of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. We are also taking one step ahead among all the other departments and institutes in the conventional education of Pakistan, that we are trying to confirm the job placements of our students. So if a student is coming to us, potentially we will already be having the job for him. So we will create the job, and then we will take the student into our program. Park Austria Fachhochschule is working in the same model. So we are aligned with their vision and mission. So we look for the placements which are already available in the industry. I will shortly explain how we do that. Then we believe in hands-on and practical training. So we try to indulge those skills which are not theoretical only, but are also practical. We always look for such incidents when engineers and technologists and professionals are sitting in the market or at their hospitals, but when they are being asked to do something with their hands, they look here and there and look for some staff person to do that. So we want to stop that process, and we want people who are skills with their hands-on and hands-on pragmatic approach. We are taking a pragmatic approach. Another thing which is good in this case is because everyone knows that economy is not going so good for Pakistan. Overall, also there are many industries which are not having that leverage of having a very big high number of human resources. So industries are trying to employ one person instead of two, which we're doing currently two, they try to employ one. So our program in mechanical engineering is to deploy and help the industry in achieving that objective. Then data sciences, AI, and blockchain skills. These are the trending skills at the moment. Everyone is asking about data science, AI, blockchain. Pardon to all the other departments and degree awarding universities. Personally speaking, I don't believe in the BS degrees of data sciences, AI, and blockchain. I think that these are additional skills which can empower the other domains. Like we are talking about biomedical engineering technology. If a person knows AI, blockchain, and data science, and he is working and he has a base degree of biomedical engineering technology, he can get maximum out of this technology. But if someone just have the degree of data science and AI and he doesn't have the knowledge of biomedical field, he will not be able to do anything. And this is something based on my experience. I will shortly explain what is that. Just let me go towards all the bullets. Currently, Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Department is offering two BS programs. One is BS Mechanical Engineering Technology, which is a joint degree with Chengdu University. And then we have BS Biomedical Engineering Technology, which is in collaboration with Biomedical Sciences Department. So technically, today's session is for BS Biomedical Engineering Technology. We also have two current MS programs, MS Mechanical Manufacturing and Automation, and MS Mechatronics Engineering. So Dr. Haris Shehzad is with us, who is the graduate coordinator, and he's taking care of these two MS programs. Dr. Arif is with us, who's technically taking care of these BS programs just to support me. And Ms. Aisha is overall taking toward helping you in the admission process. So just I'm talking about their administrative responsibilities apart from their research and teaching responsibilities. So this is some holistic view of mechanical and manufacturing engineering. We are established in A1 department of Park Austria University, Park Austria Fachhochschule, and some of the labs which will be from biomedical science department are definitely in their B2 building of the department. Currently, we are not visible so much in A1 because the computer science department is going to shift in the C2 building. But some of our labs are already established there, and in few days I will be shifting to the A1 building. So before the semester starts, we will be fully functional in A1. So if you come in the university and you look for the department, and if you feel that, okay, we don't have the department here, we have the department, only the board will be also be installed in a couple of days, and you'll see we are available in A1. Now coming towards BS Biomedical Engineering Technology. What is this and how it is different from all the other programs of Park Austria Fachhochschule? BS Biomedical Engineering Technology is basically a technology program, and it is a merge of three technologies. One is mechanical, second is electronics, and third is biomedical. So basically, technology programs are accredited by National Technology Council. So all the other biomedical courses in Park Austria Fachhochschule are not accredited by NTC. If you open your laptop or mobile and search for National Technology Council, this is the governing council which governs the technology program. So all the engineering technology programs are governed by NTC. So this program is the only program of biomedical engineering, biomedical domain, which is accredited with NTC. Secondly, what type of students and which students can apply for it? This is a unique degree program which can intake both students from pre-medical background and as well as pre-engineering background. If you are a student from pre-medical engineering background, so what will happen that you will take one course of mathematics in the start of the degree. So we will be just helping you out learn the mathematics knowledge which is missing for you. And if you are a student from pre-engineering, you will study the biology. So pre-engineering students will study one course of biology, and pre-medical courses, pre-medical students will take one course from mathematics. So in this way, your gap, which was missing in your last 2 years of study, will be filled, and then you will be ready for the new technology world, which is biomedical engineering technology. I have made a mistake here in the first bullet. It stays 2 years sponsored stay at China. This is a typo. Basically, in our technology programs, we offer some exchange programs. After your education here in the first semester, we offered different collaborative programs with different universities. For biomedical engineering, I have started a consortium which is in the process. It is with University of Marche, Italy. So that is my alma mater. I did my PhD there. There we have a Department of Biomedical Engineering, and I'm trying to build an agreement with them, and we can have different forums open for different exchange programs here. So in the first semester, you will be studying in Park Austria Fachhochschule, and from second semester onwards, you can go for the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth semester, because whole degree is of 8 semesters. So in any of the semesters where you feel feasible, we will help you apply for an exchange program and stay for one semester, at least one semester. It can go up till 1 year, but at least one semester you can stay in Italy. Likewise, I'm also looking for some collaboration in Austria, because our university is in collaboration with Austrian university. So I'm looking for biomedical engineering programs in Graz. Like for MS programs, we have a consortium with Innsbruck, MCI Innsbruck. So I'm looking for University of Graz if they have a biomedical engineering program. So we will have an agreement with them, and our students will go there. Likewise, their students will come to us. So this is the holistic view of exchange programs we are going to offer in BS Biomedical Engineering Technology. Thirdly, the second bullet, 1 year's hands-on industrial training. This program is cheaper than other programs of the university. Yes, the total final fee is going to be decreased. It is in the approval process in rector's office. Soon it will be conveyed to you as well. This degree program is of 8 semesters, and last 2 semesters are totally industrial training. So you will not be studying any courses in university. You will be connecting to the industry in the last 2 semesters. And for those 2 semesters, we have suggested that there shouldn't be any tuition fee. So you won't be paying anything to university in the form of tuition fee. And this way, you can see that this degree is cheaper than the other biomedical technology, biomedical sciences programs, or the other programs which are offered in the university. So you will be paying total fee for 6 semesters only. In 7th and 8th semester, you will not be paying anything. And similarly, if you go for an exchange to some other university, you will be paying some minor charges. The unique thing why you should take BS Biomedical Engineering Technology, this is because we will be connecting you with the hospitals, diagnostic sensors, or medical device industry from semester 1. So what will happen? In the first semester, we will have a different visits of all the hospitals around in the surroundings. For example, if you are living in Haripur, we will have the visits to Yaya Hospital, DHQ, other hospitals, IDC. If you are living in Appatabad, same likewise, we will have conduct some visits there. If you are in Wakand, if you are in Islamabad, or wherever you are, we are trying to build agreements and connections for the hospitals which are available in those cities. And a very good thing which I'm going to do in the next week is I'm going to Sialkot. Sialkot is very famous for surgical devices and medical equipment. So they also need biomedical engineering technologists. For those who don't know what are biomedical engineering technologists, let me tell you that in hospitals, you see there are doctors, there are technicians who are working on the machines. They are helping in ultrasound, in X-rays, in CT scan, and all using those devices. And also there are people who are working on microscopes and microbiology things they are doing. These are the technicians. But the equipment and overall maintenance of the training of the program of the hospital, is done by biomedical engineering technologists. So if the X-ray machine is not going fine, the technologists will tell how to repair it. Similarly, in cell code, we have some device making industry which are making the devices which are used by doctors. So in making and designing and developing those devices, biomedical engineering technologists can help. So this is something which we are doing from first semester. You will be visiting all these hospital diagnostic centers and industries, and you will develop a liking. Like if we talk about cricket, there are batsmen, there are bowlers, there are fielders, wicket keeping. So if you like one of the thing, you should excel yourself in that. Similarly, there are many fields of biomedical engineering technology. Through these visits, you will increase your liking, you will develop your liking for one of the field. And then in the second semester or within the first semester as well, those industries which are according to your interest, you will be aligned with them. So the student of Haripur will be connected to that, to his liking. If you want to imaging devices, you want to go to ultrasonics, you want to go towards diagnostic centers, you will be connected with those. So what will happen? You will teach your courses, your theory in the classroom, but whenever you will have time or in the weekends, because the advantage with the hospital industry is that it never closes. It is always available 24/7. So whenever you have time, you can go to that hospital, diagnostic center, and you can start learning from day one. You don't need to wait for the completion of your degree. So what will happen that the end of 6 semesters, you will already have developed a very good skills. And in the 7th and 8th semester, which is pure industrial training, it will be very easier for you to get the remaining skills and work wholeheartedly with them. And it will be a very free, good resource for the hospitals as well. And this is no reason, there is no reason that they will not hire you. So in this way, we are confirming the job placement for our students. So this is about the job skills. There is a message. Okay, so in Urdu, there is a message that in Urdu, please also talk in Urdu. At the end, we will talk in Urdu. Of course, you are coming from different backgrounds. So within when you will join PAFIAST, we will develop your English speaking skills and communication skills. And definitely within a semester, you will be start speaking like me. But anyways, within 5 minutes, I will finish this English part and I will briefly explain everything in Urdu. Next bullet is data science and artificial intelligence additional skills. So I myself is working as a consultant with Ministry of IT and Telecom. Dr. Haris is working with different skills of data sciences. Dr. Arif has developed some skills. So Ms. Aisha is working with some digital skills, which are in demand these days, like graphic designing. So we are not confining you to biomedical engineering technology. Uniquely, we are giving you some skills which will be easily employable. So you don't have to wait for example, it is fall 23 and you will be finishing your degree in 2027. So you don't wait till 2027 to start earning. My motto is after first semester, we will give you those skills. And if you really deploy those skills, you will be able to start earning. Okay. So in the first course of ICT, we will be teaching you graphic designing. We will start with Microsoft 365, but we will be teaching you graphic designing. We will be teaching you WordPress, web development. We will be teaching you programming. We will be teaching you e-commerce. So these are additional skills which we are giving. You will keep on increasing and developing your knowledge of biomedical engineering, but in parallel, we will give you those skills which you can use straight away, and it will remove the burden from your parents' pocket, and you can at least earn 12,000 per PKR per month, which is the division of the fee. And this program already is cheaper because there is no tuition fee in the last 2 semesters. So in this way, you will start earning from the beginning. So that's the holistic view. In data science and artificial intelligence, in the second semester, we will have the programming course. So you will also learn programming, and being biomedical engineering technologists, you will have the programming skills of Python. And if you want to go further towards web development in biomedical sciences, you will be developing the skills of JavaScript. I have your senior students from biomedical. They were working as an internee with me, and I taught them web development. And they have started developing websites for hospitals. And if they have the skills of biology, they have the skills of anatomy, physiology, medicine, biochemistry, they are very well suited to develop those websites. And in those websites, the knowledge of their IT, JavaScript is being used. They started with WordPress, but then they moved towards JavaScript. And the knowledge of biomedical engineering was also used. So you don't need to confine yourself to computer science and IT degrees for IT skills. So your domain knowledge will really help. So this is the whole overhaul scenario and introduction to BS Biomedical Engineering Technology. Yeah, I missed one thing in artificial intelligence and data science, that in the third semester, we will have not third semester, but after the programming semester, in the consequent semesters, we will have a courses of machine learning. If you want towards AI, to go towards machine learning and AI. And then we have the computer vision part and imaging devices, image devices course. There will be a course in which you will be taking about ultrasonics. Just to tell you, my field is also ultrasonics, laser ultrasonics. I have done my PhD in laser ultrasonics. So the basic underlying principles of ultrasonics are the same. So you can deploy computer vision, which is the sub part of AI in those devices. And lastly, we have a course of robotics. So that is an elective course, not a core course for you, but as an elective, if you want to come towards surgical robots, which is a sub part of biomedical engineering technology, you can take that. So these are the holistic view of the programs. Before I start in Urdu, I would like Dr. Haris Shahzad to unmute himself and tell us something about his background, and also tell us something about the scholarships which are available in the university. Dr. Haris. I have given you the rights. You can unmute yourself.
Okay, thank you. My name is Dr. Haris Shahzad, and I am currently working as assistant professor at the Department of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. So basically, my background is related to control system, automation, and power electronics. I have done my PhD from Koç University, Turkey. And my research actually includes robotics, electric vehicles, and power electronics, and control of linear and nonlinear systems. So regarding the scholarships, so basically there is a merit scholarship. So whenever a student, for example, achieves first position in his or her batch, so the tuition fees of the next semester would be waived off for that student. So that is one sort of scholarship. And also there is a scholarship for the initial first year. So when the merit list is displayed, so the student who secures the first position in the merit list as well, so the tuition fee would be waived off for him or for her first semester. So these are the two currently main scholarships which the university is offering. Apart from that, there are other scholarships, for example, NVP loan, and then there are Pakistan Baitul Mal scholarships. So students can always apply for those scholarships as per their financial status. So these are the scholarships which are currently available.
Thank you, Dr. Haris. Now I will quickly give you the overview in Urdu, and then you can ask your questions because we are spending a lot of time. सबसे पहले बच्चों बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों के आने का. आप लोग हमारे सेशन में आए. अपनी जो ऑनरेबल मेरे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं उनकी तरफ से मैं आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूं, डॉक्टर हारिस, डॉक्टर आरिफ, मिस आयशा की तरफ से. हमने ये जो प्रोग्राम बीएस बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी का लॉन्च किया है, इसकी मकसद ये था, इसका मकसद कि जो हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स और मेडिकल डिवाइसेस का पोर्शन है उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि आप लोग जो है वो उनके अंदर जो डिवाइसेस और जो चीजें डेवलप हो रही हैं वो आप यूज नहीं कर पाते। वो जो है वो डेवलप होती हैं, लेकिन वो डेवलपमेंट जो हो रही होती है वो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से नहीं हो रही, बाहर से आ रही हैं ज्यादातर चीजें, या उनको रिपेयर करना पड़ जाए तो किसी से रिपेयर नहीं होती। तो हमारे इस प्रोग्राम का ये मकसद था कि हम ऐसे लोग तैयार करें, बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट, जो कि उन डिवाइसेस को सही तरीके से चला सके। सही। तो ये प्रोग्राम हमने स्टार्ट किया, इसमें प्री मेडिकल प्री इंजीनियरिंग के दोनों बच्चे आ सकते हैं। पहले सेमेस्टर से ही हम जो है शुरू कर देते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को हॉस्पिटल के साथ कनेक्ट कर देते हैं। और 8 सेमेस्टर्स की ये पूरी डिग्री है, जिसमें 2 सेमेस्टर्स आखिरी जो वो इंडस्ट्री के अंदर है। इसके अलावा एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम होते हैं, जिसके अंदर हम स्टूडेंट्स को खुद हेल्प करते हैं कि वो बाहर ऑस्ट्रिया और इटली की यूनिवर्सिटी है, जो मेरी अल्मा मातर है, जहाँ से मैंने पीएचडी की थी, उसमें भी बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग है। तो एक सेमेस्टर से लेके 1 साल तक हम उसको एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम पे भेज सकते हैं, जिसमें ट्यूशन फी और टिकट वगैरह सब कुछ शामिल होता है, और वहाँ का स्टे भी फ्री होता है। और साथ ही साथ हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के अंदर आपको पूरी इंडस्ट्री घुमाएंगे, हॉस्पिटल्स वगैरह घुमाएंगे, और जो आपकी लोकेशन है, जो आप रहते हैं जहाँ, उस जगह के लिहाज से आपको किसी ना किसी हॉस्पिटल के साथ या डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर के साथ अटैच कर देंगे। और 7वें 8वें सेमेस्टर में जब आप ट्रेनिंग करेंगे तो आप जाके वहाँ जो है जॉब आपके लिए विन करना आसान हो जाएगा। इसमें प्री मेडिकल प्री इंजीनियरिंग के दोनों स्टूडेंट्स डिप्लॉय हो सकते हैं। आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप लोग, मैं आपको अनम्यूट करने का ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ, तो आप लोग अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं और मैं आपका जवाब दे दूंगा। हमारे पास तकरीबन 5 से 6 मिनट हैं। सो हमारे पास जो लोग बाहर से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं वो अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। अगर आप बोल के लिखना चाहते हो तब ठीक है, लिख के करना चाहते हो तब भी ठीक है। अच्छा जी, सवाल आया है कि कोई सवाल यह है कि कोई फॉरेन स्कॉलरशिप है। जो हमारी इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिकल की डिग्री है उसमें हमारे पास अभी कंफर्म स्कॉलरशिप चेंगडू यूनिवर्सिटी का मौजूद है। जो बीएस बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी का है, वो क्योंकि अभी 1 महीने पहले ही हमने लॉन्च की है, तो उसके मैं होमवर्क में लगा हुआ हूँ। उसके अंदर फॉरेन स्कॉलरशिप इरास्मस होता है, जिसके अंदर मैं खुद भी गया था, मैंने इरास्मस के अंदर पढ़ा हुआ है। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको यूरोपियन यूनियन फंड्स करती है और हम आपको अप्लाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं। हम अगली यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ एग्रीमेंट साइन करते हैं, और उस यूनिवर्सिटी में जब वो एक्सचेंज खुलता है, जैसे अभी अक्टूबर में खुलेगा, लेकिन वो पहले सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं होता, दूसरे सेमेस्टर या उसके बाद आप जा सकते हैं। तो वो आप जब जाने के काबिल होंगे, आप 1-2 सेमेस्टर यहाँ पढ़ चुके होंगे, तो आप अप्लाई करेंगे, और अप्लाई करने में हम आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, और उसके थ्रू आपका स्कॉलरशिप फ्री हो जाता है। इसके अलावा मैं और भी यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑस्ट्रिया की देख रहा हूँ, जिससे कि मैं आपके अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भेज सकूँ। हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि यू ग्रेड एक्सचेंज है, हमारे पास और स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, इरास्मस के हैं, इटली के भी अपने हैं, यूरोप के हर मुल्क के अपने अपने स्कॉलरशिप्स होते हैं। हमने प्रॉपर एक बंदे की ड्यूटी ये लगाई है कि वो पूरा दिन यही करता है कि ही लुक्स फॉर द डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और फिर जब आप इनरोल हो जाएंगे तो हम जैसे ही किसी चीज की कॉल होगी हम उसको हेल्प आउट करेंगे, आपको फॉर्म फिल करने में हेल्प करेंगे, आपको अप्लाई करने में हेल्प करेंगे, जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन मिसिंग होगी उसमें हेल्प करेंगे, और फिर आपको वीजे के लिए रेडी करेंगे। सो ये तरीका होता है। कोई और सवाल है किसी का? अच्छा, सवाल ये आया है कि ये एक सेमेस्टर या एक ईयर का जो एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम है ये किस तरीके से होता है। ये इसका दोबारा मैं बता देता हूँ कि आप 1 या 2 सेमेस्टर्स तक जब यहाँ पढ़ चुके होते हैं, स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड होते हैं पाक ऑस्ट्रिया यूनिवर्सिटी में किसी प्रोग्राम के अंदर, तो उससे रेलेवेंट प्रोग्राम्स की जो बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं यूरोप में, यूएसए में, वो डिफरेंट एग्रीमेंट्स हमारे साथ साइन करती हैं। और जब वो अपने एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम लॉन्च करती हैं तो वो उसकी अनाउंसमेंट आती है, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं, हम वो रिक्वायरमेंट्स फिल करवाएंगे। और आप 1 सेमेस्टर या 2 सेमेस्टर, वो डिपेंड करते हैं, हर प्रोग्राम की अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, इसीलिए मैंने दोनों बताया। सो 1 सेमेस्टर के लिए भी जा सकते हैं, मिनिमम 1 सेमेस्टर होता है। कई ऐसे प्रोग्राम हैं जो 1 महीने के लिए भी होते हैं, जिसमें आप 1 महीने के लिए मुल्क से बाहर चले जाते हैं। तो 1 सेमेस्टर या 2 सेमेस्टर जब आप मुल्क से बाहर जाते हैं, उसके लिए उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं, हम आपके बिहाफ के ऊपर आपकी मदद करते हैं, आपके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पूरी करवाते हैं और आपको अप्लाई करवाते हैं। फिर ये होता है कि वो जो सेमेस्टर होता है वो आपका इस यूनिवर्सिटी से रुक जाता है, और जो कोर्सेज वहां आप पढ़ते हैं वो कोर्सेज के क्रेडिट्स आपको मिल जाते हैं, और कोई एडिशनल कोर्सेज हों तो वो फिर बाद में आपको करने पड़ते हैं समर के अंदर या इस तरीके से, ताकि आपकी डिग्री टाइमली कंप्लीट हो जाए। सो वो कोर्सेज भी आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं। सो जो 8 सेमेस्टर के हमने कोर्सेज आपको बताए हैं वो आपने इन एनी केस कंप्लीट करने ही करने हैं। इस डिग्री का बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा ये है कि इसमें आखिर वाली इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग है। तो उन क्रेडिट्स को आप, इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग्स को, हमारे पास 2 फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं 16 और 32 क्रेडिट्स का, उसको आप बड़े अच्छे तरीके से यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो और इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हो। सो ये एक एडवांटेज है। और वो जो 2 या 1 सेमेस्टर का एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम होता है, उसके अंदर होता ये है कि आपकी वहां कोई फीस नहीं होती, स्टे आपका फ्री होता है। अक्सर आपको एयर टिकट भी, प्रोग्राम के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, अक्सर आपको एयर टिकट भी उसके अंदर मिलता है। और वीजा भी ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स का जल्दी लग जाता है, क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल एजेंसी होती है, तो उनके वीजे भी इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल। अभी किसी भी वक्त मेरी ये जो ऑनलाइन सेशन है ये फिनिश हो सकता है। अगर किसी का एक सवाल है तो मैं आखिरी एक सवाल और भी आपका ले सकता हूँ। ओके, सो बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का। मैं इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन और इंस्टाग्राम के जो मैकेनिकल के पेजेस हैं उस पर शेयर कर दूंगा, ताकि बाकी लोग जो इसको सुनना चाहें सुन सकें। आप लोगों का बहुत शुक्रिया मेरी तरफ से और मेरे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स की तरफ से। अल्लाह हाफिज।